Hi Mathletes, in this video you will be learning how to multiply decimals. So to do that, you will simply just multiply them like whole numbers, count the number of decimal places on all factors, and that will serve as the number of decimal places on the product. So let's take a look at some examples. Number 1, 5.34 times 10. So if I were to write that without decimal point, it would be 534 times 10, and this will give us 5,340. And since there are two decimal places, then our answer would be 53.40 or just 53.4. Next example, we have 0.625 times 100. So I may just write this down as 625 times 100, which is 62500, right? And then you will simply just count the number of decimal places, 1, 2, and 3. So there are 3 decimal places. So our final answer would be 62.500 or just simply 62.5. Next, we have 32. Next, we have 32.36 times 0.1. So if I were to just rewrite this one without decimal point, that would be 3,236 times 1, which is 3,236. And there are how many decimal places here? 1, 2, and then that's the third one. So there are 3 decimal places. So our final answer would be 3.236. Okay? Next, we have 5.3 times 0.001. Again, read it like whole numbers. So this one is 53 times 1. So that is still the same as 53. Count the number of decimal places. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So since there are vacant slots here, you may just place zeros. So our final answer would be 53 10,000ths. Okay? Next one, we have 6.2 times 0.5. Again, just read it like whole numbers. So 62 times 5. You will just multiply this one. And this one is 310. How many decimal places? 1 and 2. So there you go. It's 3.1 or just 3.10. Alright, next number we have 3.36 times 1.2. So 336 times 12. Multiplying that would be, okay, then add, that will be 13, that will be 10, that will be 4. So how many decimal places are there? There's 3, 1, 2, and 3. So our final answer would be 4.032. Okay, number 7, we have 28.9, so 289 times 34. So 9 times 4, we have 36. 8 times 4, 32, plus 3, that's 35. And then 4 times 2, 8, plus 3, that is 11. Next line, we have 3 times 9, that is 27. 3 times 8, 24, plus 2 is 26. 3 times 2, that is 6 plus 2 is 8. And then just simply add them. So this one is 6, 12, and this one is 8, this one is 9. So how many decimal places are there? There's 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and 3, 9.826. And for our final example, we have 3,000 or 3.247 times 98. So we'll just multiply that. 7 times 8, that's 56. That's 32 plus 5, that's 37. 16 plus 3, that is 19. And then 25. Next line, this will be 63. And then we have 36 plus 6, that is 42. 18 plus 4, that is 22. 9 times 3, 27 plus 2, so that is 29. And then add this, so 6, 10, that will be 12, that will be 8, that will be 11, and that will be 3. So how many decimal places? We have 1, we have 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So our final answer would be 31.8206 10,000s. And that is how to multiply decimals. Once again, I am Teacher B, and see you in my next video.